Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I am doing a combo video. I am doing a what I got for Christmas plant edition and an unboxing. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome back everyone. I'm gonna jump right into the what I got for Christmas plant edition portion of this video. Wow, that was a mouthful. And the first thing was this Level-It humidifier. I've been seeing it going around for some time now and I've been wanting one, but why buy myself one when I can ask for it for Christmas? So yeah, I really like this. This is the first humidifier that I personally own. I've always wanted a humidifier, but these things are pricey, you know. Even the Vicks ones, they're expensive, and you know, it's crazy. I'm like, oh, it's expensive, but then I'm here buying like plants that cost more than this humidifier. But yeah, so the first item that I did pick up was So the first item that I got for Christmas was the Level-It humidifier. Alright guys, so this box here is the second thing plant edition that I got for Christmas, and it's still in a box. I have not set this up yet. I'm not sure if you can even see what it looks like. Does it have a photo on here? Alright, there's no photo of it, but I'm gonna try to insert a photo like somewhere here of what is inside of this box. It's a plant stand. It's from like a floor to ceiling plant stand with multiple just like arms and shells and hanging situations from it. I really wanted this and I got it for Christmas, so I'm really happy to have this baby. I'm not gonna set it up just yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer for when the temperature warms up to rearrange the plants in my room and set this up where I want to set it up. But for now, it is gonna stay in the box until I am able to set it up, because you know, why am I gonna make my life harder? Alright, so that's basically everything that I got for Christmas in regards to plants. Also, I was supposed to receive some plants already from this one company, and it's complete bullshit. I was supposed to get these for Christmas and I have not gotten them yet, and I've contacted them. Complete again, like BS. So Usa. Alright, so let's just get right into this unboxing. I picked this up from Facebook Marketplace and she shipped it out for me on Monday, and today is Wednesday, so I'm happy to have it here in my home. I'm gonna grab a pair of scissors and get to opening this. My freaking plant is attacking me. Alright y'all, so this arrived this morning as I'm heading to work. It was actually left on my doorstep, so I really do hope that this is doing good, because it is freezing here in New York right now. So I'm gonna pan you guys down a little bit. Tissue paper. Basura. Alright, so this first thing says Silver Dollar Vine. I'm just gonna So the first plant of this unboxing is a Silver Dollar Vine, and I believe it is rooted. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a small clay pot. So I got a Silver Dollar Vine. Let me look at the roots for y'all. she has them rooting in some moss. So they are fully rooted, I notice, which is great. They're fully rooted, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back in the plastic bag and plant this later on tonight. Trash. Okay, this says it's my Monster, my Standard. Okay, this is pretty. And it has a little new growth happening, so yay! Yay! Again, these were just Facebook Marketplace purchases. Okay, the roots look good. Just has unrooted. This is unrooted, so I am gonna have to root this myself, which is okay. The last one is a jewel orchid. I actually have another one of these coming in the mail. Okay, this is how this looks. It's really pretty. Okay, this is my favorite items of this haul. And I hope this one is rooted because I've never purchased unrooted cuttings, so I lied. I have. My pink princess is unrooted. So forming roots, we're trying to have it for over a month now. Oh my gosh, this is like impossible. This thing just fell. The whole fucking orchid just broke off. Why me, man? Why me? Oh my god. I really don't want to get upset. I really love when I film these unboxings because you can tell a seller something and they won't believe you, but if there's literally camera evidence of what you're doing. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm definitely going to contact the seller and let her know about this. If she wants her plant back, she can. If she can give me some advice on how to, I don't know, guys. And this was the most expensive item in this order too, so. want that at all. At all. And there's still a warm heat pack in here, so yay. Wow. Wow, okay. So yeah guys, I was not expecting for that to happen with a jewel orchid. So I'm really thumbs down disappointed about that because oh my god, why me? Why freaking me? Everything else looks good, you know, but that jewel orchid just fell apart, man. No bueno at all. So yeah, I'm gonna contact the seller. I got these from Facebook and the Facebook Plant Purge page. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, join this little cookie family because we're pretty awesome here. Things like that happen and we just gotta deal with it like a champ. Again, like I said, I'm gonna contact the seller and let her know exactly what happened, and I will see you guys on the next one. Let's get growing.